In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Mfc100d.dll error on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is you have to go to the Windows search bar and type system information. Click on it under the best match. We are going to check the system type of our Windows. So take note of your system type and then open a browser. Search for the missing DLL. Just put download. Hit enter, click on the first option, scroll down, and then you have to simply click the download button corresponding to your system type and wait for this to be downloaded. Once downloaded, just simply click on the folder icon. Then right click on the folder and then select extract all. Click on extract. Copy the DLL file, right click and then select copy. And go to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive, scroll down to the Windows folder. Locate the System32 folder, double click, right click and then select paste. Now once done, close all the windows, then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Then open a browser again, search for Visual C++ or Distributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download link corresponding to your system type and simply install the Visual C++ to your Windows 11. Also consider to update your Windows, so click on the Start button, go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click the button right here to check for all the updates that your Windows need. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.